In this tutorial, we'll set a location and view our project within a 3D or satellite context map. We'll also bring a map and topography into Revit. Planary is available for a free trial, which you can download from our product page linked in the description below. Let's get started. To place the project on the map, I'll start by selecting the map type, either a 3D map or a 3D map combined with a satellite view. I'll click the Map Settings icon in the top right corner to open the map settings. Here I can search for my location by typing an address or using geolocation. Using the marker, I'll select the point where I want to place my site. Next, I'll create a site base point to link my Revit drawing to the Planary map. To do this, I'll click Change Site Base Point and select a point in my Revit drawing. A site base point will be created and linked to the map marker. If I want to hide the marker from the Planary view, I can simply click Hide. I can adjust the site with the rotation tool, move the marker to a new location, and switch between map styles at any time. Under the Bring to Revit section, I can place a satellite image directly into my Revit view. The image will appear in the exact location and help with drawing and adjusting the 2D elements in Revit. I can also bring topography into Revit by selecting Topography. Planary will create a topo solid at the exact location and elevation. Next to the map layers, I have extra options. I can switch between map providers, add street names, show terrain, and display 3D buildings. To hide buildings from the map, I'll go to the Edit mode. Here, I can simply pick the buildings I want to hide and click Done. When the terrain layer is on, I can adjust the building or the entire site's offset from the ground in the properties. Thanks for watching.